Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Have another unboxing for you. This will be the last Nitro for a while, as my wallet is hurting, but I'm enjoying these and I wanted to share this with you. So today we have the RH1001. This is also known as the FTX Carnage, I believe, but it's a VRX blade, RH1001. You can see that right there. And as you can see, another brown carton. Got this from Sterling Kits. Used their 13% coupon, which is still working. But awesome packaging. This thing came probably in 3 weeks from overseas. It's a super fast shipping, not like some other sellers. But I'm going to get this pulled out and show you what's inside. Alright, so I just got the box pulled out of the carton, and this box is exactly the same as the Spirit 1006 came in. So this is the actual one that we're unboxing today. But you can see on the side of the box, it's kind of cool. I guess they have this buggy option as a body. I didn't see that available. But the VRXs do have a single speed and 2-speed option. I don't know. See, it's funny that they wrote single twice, but it's actually a 2-speed here. But I have not been able to find that, so I've been ordering the gearbox and 2-speed pinions separately and installing them myself. I have a video of that on the rally car. So I'm gonna get this opened up and let's take a look what's inside. So I'm actually really hoping to get this black and red body, just because my VRX fleet has pretty much been black and red. So let's take a look. Oh, bummer. So I did not get the black and red as I hoped for, but I'm happy that everything looks nice and intact. Something that's not always the case for some overseas sellers. But let's get started and open this up. First off with the accessories box, and we do have a guest star today. This is my very first motorcycle, Honda CBR 250R Repsol. I am a huge fan of Repsol, but you can see he's sitting here in the background. Genuine Honda carbon fiber tank pad. I do have an air filter, a chip, and an exhaust, but we'll save that for another day. But the transmitter we have here, as with all VRXs, is the FlySky GT2. You notice in my videos, all my other unboxings, that the only problem I have with this is that it takes 8 AA's, which I'm not a big fan of, but I do reprogram my GT3C to all my cars, so I have them all on one transmitter. But this is a solid budget transmitter, no issues or complaints with it other than the battery quantity. So yeah, this looks great. Wheels tucked in some cardboard for extra protection. It is not zip tied down, which is not a problem. But first off, I have to say these tires are awesome. They are pretty mean, very grippy and rubbery, so that's really cool. I like that it comes with the black wheels. Again, a little bit bummed that it didn't have the black and red body, but this is still pretty cool. So I'm gonna get the box put on here. Actually, let's see what else is in here. So you got the protection, I see the manual. Here is the bind plug adapter and the antenna tube, and then the manual for the car. This does come in a brushed and brushless version. You can see the model numbers here, and then I guess they have the single speed and the 2-speed, but I have not been able to find that available. Okay, so I'm gonna get the box set up and for display, get back to you. Alright, got this thing just set up on the box, pulled the body pins, so let's take a look inside. So this comes with the Force 0.18 engine, which I am a huge fan of. It makes great power. Very easy to tune, I feel. And yeah, I really like it. This is the heart of it. What this one is the Truggy. I thought this was cool. Not the biggest fan of buggies, although they perform the best. They are the best bashers because bodies don't get destroyed. So I wanted a Truggy, something that is kind of best of both worlds, something that looks pretty cool. And I have to say, this body is pretty nice. So this is kind of like a mini version of the RH1001. 1/8 scale, which I did an unboxing of. That one's the black and red one, and it would have been cool if this matched, but too bad. But yeah, the body's pretty cool. Truggy body. It's got a little wing on the back, and you know, it feels not as hard as some of the other bodies, but this doesn't feel like it'll crack. It feels like it'll be actually has some give to it, and it'll probably last pretty decent. So I'm happy with that, aside from the color. But that was me. I didn't reach out, which I probably should have, and to see if they had any others available in the past, which they have been really cool about. But aside from this, standard VRX Nitro. It's really nice. Metal chassis, metal servo holder or brace. Here is your receiver and battery box. 4 AA's in here, and your Fly Sky receiver. And then what's really nice about the VRXs is that the finish is actually pretty nice. They use these rods compared to the HSPs, but beefier suspension, oil-filled shocks, metal caps but plastic bodies. I think that's a 75 or 80 cc nitro fuel tank. I do have a metal pipe for this that I will likely install. Metal pipes are kind of a little bit louder. I don't know if they really make a difference in performance, but you tune around it anyways, which is cool. But your air filter, high-speed needle on the Force 18, that is your idle screw right there, that black one. And then your low-speed needle is right there on the side of the carb throttle. And that's pretty much it, but I'm really happy with this. The main thing is that awesome seller, great packaging, and the RC came clean. I think I know what to expect from this already, and I'm excited to get it broken in and start running it. But this, I think, will be nicely built for bashing. So thanks for watching my videos.